Hello all, welcome to our weekly video analysis. We start with cable. Cable, as we see here, it is in a clear downtrend. We see lower lows, lower highs. And until this changes, we remain very bearish. Of course, we don't need to mention the strength of the dollar that dominates every other currency. Now, some good points to cover short in the pound. Also, we see here it is the daily chart before it was 4-hour chart. We see how clear is the downside here from last summer, last June. But I keep telling you, the pound was trading above 140 then, and I told you we are gonna see 120 sometime in the future, in the near future. And you see, we keep doing lower lows and lower highs. The definition, the textbook of downtrend. Okay, so some good points to cover. It is 133.50. Actually, I don't see any other serious supports before this level, 133.10, 15. Okay, and of course the big support area just below 132. We have Bank of England on Thursday, so until then we are gonna see some price movement. Okay, let's move to euro. Euro, it is very interesting. What to say here? Also the definition since last summer of the downtrend. Keeps making lower lows. The last frontier of the bulls was the support at 111.80 that broke like hot knife in hot butter last week. As we remember, we have a huge sell-off after the FOMC. Euro lost almost 200 pips with no reversal. And where we stand now, okay, the best case scenario for the Euro bulls is to have a reversal to retest 111.80, 112.10, 20, and then heading for new lows. We have ECB this Thursday, so new lows is almost guaranteed, as Lagarde is very bearish. Actually, it's the same event we have had with Fed, that we all expected Fed to be bearish, hawkish, but not so hawkish. The same will happen with ECB. Mark my words. Everyone expects Lagarde to be dovish, but Lagarde will be extra dovish, super dovish, and we see the collapse of the euro again. So very easy money. And of course, the best for us we are bearish. The best case scenario would be to see a retest of 112.50 area, this area before the big breakdown, so we can open fresh shorts here, because I keep telling you, the new lows are guaranteed. So the bigger, the higher you short, the better for you. More free money. Free money, guys. I reiterate that. Short Euro USD, it's literally free money. Okay. Let's go to TXY. What to say here? When I was telling you here, remember? Before 2 weeks, buy the dips, guys. You were telling me, no, 96 break. You told us 96 will hold. What will happen now? And you see what happened. We had this bear trap that was the slaughter of the bears. And as we see, DXY, the king, will remain the king and only king in the top. We have had a huge breakout to new highs. Look at this chart. It's so clear, guys. It's so clear. You don't have to understand nothing about economics, nothing about where the rates are going, nothing about how what Powell says affects the economy. All you need to know is to read the charts, and the chart was so clear. That's why since last summer I'm so clear about the dollar path, that the only way is up. You see higher highs, higher lows. What else you want to trade? You don't have to care about anything about PPI, PMI, NFP, payrolls, and all these names that to most of the traders here. Okay, I trade 25 years in those markets. I understand everything and how every news affects the market, but you don't have to, guys. Really, trust me. All you have to do is to read price action. That's all easy. So if you believe this is going down, then you are wrong. Sorry, guys. You know, I must be the only so bold here and the only one that has the balls to trade these markets and report trades. Most of the paid sellers, you know what they do. They just say you the two scenarios. You know, this can go up, or in other case, this can go down. And of course, they are always correct. And of course, they don't trade. Maybe they trade with your money that you pay them, some of them, and they lose some amounts. Okay, everybody do what he can best. Okay, let's move to another favorite pair. Okay, this is one of my favorite plays for 2022. And of course, it is the Aussie. The Aussie, you see, it is the perfect pattern, head and shoulders. It has been triggered. I believe it's a matter of time to see the collapse to below 64, 65 area, this area. And who knows where this will stop. Definition of bear trend: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, 6, 7 lower lows, lower highs. What else you want? One strong support at the 67, 68 area, this, and after this area we go straight down to 64. I'm not gonna mention anything else about the politicians and of Australia and how they handle COVID situation. It's all the charts. You are gonna see. Okay, let's go to another favorite pair, USD CAD. USD CAD, it is ready to break above 130. Okay, in the short term, I told you that we're gonna see a move at least up to 126.50, 127, and currently we have broke above. And there are two major points. One is the resistance here at just above 128 and then at 130. And after that, we are gonna see a big rally that you won't believe. That we're gonna see levels above 134, 135. It's very easily levels for the CAD. Also, there is a huge diverge with oil. That currently it's suppressing the price of USD CAD, but oil, okay, I'm very bullish in oil. I believe we're gonna test the 100 handle, but before that maybe we see some correction. I mean, we are gonna trade just above 93, 92, and then we can see a correction $15-20 before the next leg higher to break 100. So pay attention to CAD, because you might be surprised of the price action here. Okay, what else left? Okay, of course, have a quick look in equities. Equities, we bought the support here, just above 33,000 in Dow Jones. And okay, we are selling this rally because Fed is tightening, so one way train for the stocks. Don't expect stupid scenarios about melt ups and bullshit like that. No melt ups is gonna happen. We have seen the highs. We are going down. Same in DAX. Same in S&P. The charts are clear. Okay. Forget the melt up theories. It's as valid as broken clocks. 2 times per day they show the correct hour. Okay, so if you want a good level to short, it is just above 4500 and 4530, this area here. It's good to open fresh shorts. And of course, if we see sell off below 4200, then this is gonna accelerate. We are gonna see the 3000 handle in front of the price. That's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye.